Good morning everyone. Good morning dear children. Welcome you all to our online classes. I hope you all are doing good. We are doing our written work, English alphabets and Hindi akshars. So before starting our today's letter and akshar, let's do our morning song. Shall we start? But before starting, let's make sure that your listening ears and your looking eyes are on. Let's check. Mine are on. Let's start. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Now what will you say? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. Very good. So yesterday I have introduced the three lines. Standing line, sleeping line, slant line and semicircle. Right? And we have learned letter E and H. Now tell me what comes after H? I. Inke the mouse is my pet. I. Okay. So how do we write small alphabet I? Come, let's see. Count the lines with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, as I told you, we write small alphabets in 2 lines. So, 1, 2. Put your pencil here. Keep your pencil here. Now, make a standing line. From line 2nd to line 3rd. Now, put a dot on the top. Letter I. Again, standing line, dot, I. Speak with me. Standing line, you have to speak the strokes, okay? Standing line, dot, letter I. It is very simple and easy, okay? It is very simple. Now come to our next letter. What comes after I? J. Right? J is also very easy. Come, let's see how to write. 1, 2. Start from second line. Okay? Standing line. Now from last line, touch the last line and make a turn. Okay? Make a turn and curve. You can call it curve also. Now put a dot. J. J. Jali and J. Okay, phonic sounds learn kiye the letter J. The sound is J. Standing line. Go down. Make a curve. Go up. And dot. J. One more time. Repeat the strokes after me. Standing line, go down, turn, make a curve, go up, stop. Dot. J, J. One more time. Repeat the strokes after me. Okay? Standing line, go down, make a turn, make a curve, stop. Dot. J, J. Okay? I, E and J, J. Our today's letter. Now let's start with our Hindi akshars. So we have completed a, E, U. And what comes after U? Re, Rishi. But Re, Rishi is little tough to write. Okay? So we will learn Re, Rishi after some time. For today, we are skipping Re, Rishi. Okay? And we are starting with A, Erika and then I and a Ka. So come, let's see how to write A, Erika. In Hindi akshar, first make a chhat. Right? Make a chhat. Now, repeat the strokes after me, okay? Standing line, slant line. One more time. Standing line, slant line. Now, again, standing line, slant line. So, we have to write two same strokes. Standing line, slant line. Standing line, slant line. Now, which akshar is this? A, A, Ka. Now, one more time. Repeat the strokes after me, okay? Then you will learn it very easy. Standing line, slant line. Standing line, slant line. But don't cross this line, okay? Sometimes बच्चे क्या करते हैं, ये वाली जो slant line है इसको और यहाँ तक लेकर आते हैं. But this is wrong. Only we have to touch the slant line, okay? Don't cross it. Now one more time. Repeat after me. Standing line, slant line. Standing line, slant line. A, A, Ka. And don't forget to draw the chhat first. Okay? Now this is A, A, Ka. Now I and a Ka. I and a Ka is similar to A, A, Ka. Okay? See. Make a chhat. Again, standing line, slant line. Standing line, slant line. This is A, A, Ka. Now to make it I and a Ka, we have to draw one slant line on the top. It becomes I and a Ka. Very easy. Now one more time, repeat the strokes after me, okay? Standing line, slant line. Standing line, slant line. And a slant line. I and a Ka. Sometimes kids क्या करते हैं? They draw the standing line from here. Okay? So we have to draw the slant line from second standing line. This is first standing line. This is second standing line. This akshar is wrong. Okay? So we have to draw the slant line from the second standing line. A, A, Ka, I and a Ka. Okay? So today we have learned two English alphabets. I for ice cream. J for jug. And in Hindi, A, A, Ka, I and a Ka. So kids, keep practicing these alphabets and akshars, okay? And speak and write. You have to speak and write, speak and write. Okay? ऐसे चुपचाप zip up करके नहीं लिखना है. You have to speak. Dear parents, please ध्यान दें कि जब बच्चे लिख रहे हैं, they have to speak. Okay? They have to speak the strokes like standing line, slant line, curve, and all the strokes they have to speak and then write. Okay? It will make it easy for them to learn and write the akshars and alphabets. Thank you so much.